Hello, our favorite YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about an interesting topic. How to get your ex back in 10 steps. I know you all want to know about this interesting topic because sometimes we want our old love life back in our lives. So in this video, we are going to talk about it. Then why are we waiting in here wasting our time? Let's go watch this interesting video. Number 1, reflect on your motives. Reflecting on your motives is the first step to getting your ex back in your life. This includes slowly understanding why you want your ex back in your life. It is because of an emotional state, or do you want them really in your life? Make sure your emotions are rooted in genuine love and not loneliness or fear of being alone. Be clear about your intentions for wanting to get back together. Are you interested in a long-term, committed relationship, or are you looking for a temporary fix? Understanding what you truly want is crucial. This is essential, right? Because this is your second chance. Take a closer look at yourself and your role in the past relationship. Reflect on what went wrong and any mistakes you made. Self-awareness is essential. Consider any unresolved issues from the past relationship. Reflect on whether these issues can be addressed and resolved for a healthier and more fulfilling relationship if you were to reconcile. Number 2, give each other space. After a breakup, everyone needs their own personal space. It is a must-have thing to process your own feelings. This break allows emotions to settle and reduces the risk of impulsive decisions. Establish a period of no contact, which typically means refraining from calling, texting, or messaging each other. This break helps reduce emotional intensity and allows emotions to settle. Respect your ex's need for space as well. Understand that they may be going through their own emotional process. Use this time to gain clarity about what you truly want in a relationship. Try to understand your own feelings. Talking to others can provide valuable perspective and emotional support during this challenging time. Use this time apart to prioritize your own well-being. Focus on self-care, personal growth, and pursuing your interests and passions. Number 3, self-improvement. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Try to understand your feelings and process your life. Self-improvement is a crucial aspect of the process of getting your ex back, as it not only benefits you personally, but also enhances your attractiveness and potential for a healthier relationship. Self-improvement involves a commitment to personal growth and development. Focus on improving your emotional intelligence. Engage in self-reflection to gain insight into your past behaviors and patterns in the relationship. Work on enhancing your communication skills, including active listening. Number 4, communication. When you feel ready and open, talk with your partners. Express your feelings calmly and listen to their perspective as well. Avoid blame or accusation. Begin by initiating contact with your ex in a respectful and non-intrusive manner. Be mindful of the timing when you reach out. Avoid contacting your ex during emotionally charged moments or immediately after the breakup. Use respectful and non-confrontational language in your communication. Practice active listening when your ex shares their thoughts and feelings. Share your own thoughts and feelings honestly and transparently. Use I statements to express your emotions and needs, avoiding accusatory language. If the conversation turns to past issues or problems in the relationship, focus on finding solutions together rather than dwelling on blame. Be open to receiving feedback from your ex about what they need or expect in the relationship. Their input can guide your actions and decisions. Maintain consistency in your communication. Avoid sporadic or erratic contact. Consistency can build trust and demonstrate your commitment to rebuilding the relationship. Number 5, apologize and forgive. If you are the fault, apologize without any hesitation. A willingness to forgive and seek forgiveness can be a powerful step toward reconciliation. Start by reflecting on your actions and behavior in the past relationship. Identify any mistakes or shortcomings that may have contributed to the breakup. Reach out to your ex and offer a sincere apology for any specific actions or behaviors that hurt or upset them. Reach out to your ex and offer a sincere apology for any specific actions or behaviors that hurt or upset them. Use "I'm sorry if you have any fault" during the apology. Avoid becoming defensive or justifying your actions. If your ex has concerns or grievances, listen actively without interrupting. Be open to forgiving your ex for any mistakes or actions that may have contributed to the breakup. Forgiveness is a step toward rebuilding trust. Be patient and consistent in your actions to rebuild trust with your ex. Number 6, understand what went wrong. Reflect on the reasons for the breakup and work together to identify any underlying issues that led to the separation. Identify the specific issues or problems that led to the breakup. Examine your own role in the issues that contributed to the breakup. Consider whether there were recurring patterns of behavior or dynamics in the relationship that led to conflict. Go beyond surface-level issues and try to identify any underlying causes or emotional triggers that contributed to the problems in the relationship. Develop a plan for addressing the issues that led to the breakup. Share your understanding of what went wrong with your ex. Talk about the reason. Avoid placing blame solely on your ex or yourself. Recognize that relationships are a two-way street and both parties contribute to their success or challenges. As you work on understanding what went wrong, it will help you to know how to reconcile with your ex. Number 7, rebuild trust. Remember one thing: rebuilding trust takes much time than you think. Be patient with the process. Start by acknowledging the specific actions or behaviors that led to the breach of trust in your past relationship. Show sincere remorse for the actions that caused the trust issues. Rebuilding trust is a gradual process. Understand that trust won't be restored overnight, and that it may take time for your ex to feel secure again. Accept that your choices contributed to the trust issues. Establish clear boundaries in the relationship to prevent any further breaches of trust. Be transparent in all your dealings with your ex. Allow your ex the space they need to process their feelings and gradually rebuild trust at their own pace. Number 8, reignite the connection. Reconnect on a deeper level by recreating special moments and shared experiences from your past. Nostalgia can help rekindle positive emotions. Revisit and recreate special moments from your past relationship. Engage in deep and meaningful conversations. Engage in deep and meaningful conversations. Maintain open and honest communication. Encourage your ex to express their feelings and concerns without fear of judgment. Surprise your ex with thoughtful gestures and surprises, such as love notes, small gifts, or planning a special date night. Discuss your shared goals and dreams for the future. Highlight that you want to process your future with them. It shows your original intuition towards them. Be a supportive and understanding partner. Offer emotional support during challenging times and celebrate each other's achievements. Continue to apologize for any past mistakes and be open to forgiveness. Number 9, open communication. Keep the lines of communication open. Discuss your expectations, needs, and fears with your ex. Honest and open communication is vital for rebuilding trust. Begin by initiating contact with your ex and expressing your desire to have an open and honest conversation. Use respectful and non-confrontational language in your communication. Avoid blame, accusations, or hostile tones. Instead, express yourself calmly and honestly. Try to use polite language when you argue or talk. Practice active listening when your ex shares their thoughts and feelings. Share your own thoughts and feelings honestly and transparently. During the conversation, avoid becoming defensive or justifying your actions. Clearly communicate your intentions for wanting to reconnect. Express your desire for a healthy, positive, and meaningful relationship moving forward. Be open to receiving feedback from your ex about what they need or expect in the relationship. Open communication is a crucial component of the process of getting your ex back. Number 10, take it slow. Try to understand your feelings. Open communication is a crucial component of the process of getting your ex back. Spend time together in non-romantic situations. Take your time and let the relationship naturally evolve. Ensure that both you and your ex are on the same page regarding your future together. Clearly establish boundaries that both you and your ex are comfortable with. Focus on rebuilding the friendship aspect of your relationship. Continue to maintain open and effective communication with your ex. Spend quality time together doing activities you both enjoy. Respect your ex's autonomy and independence. Allow them to maintain their individual interests, goals, and friendships. Consider seeking guidance from a relationship counselor or therapist if needed. So there you have it, how to get your ex back in 10 steps. Understand situations can be different. Sometimes you have to do certain things to get your ex back. So trying to understand each other's feelings and open communication is the best way to understand any problem. Give a like if you find this video important to you. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will never miss our new videos. Until next time, bye-bye friends.